Here, for the addition review on the next page, told to use the place value charts to add. So I have 12 and 8/10 plus 4 and 3/10. My operation is addition, and I know that before I can add, compare, or subtract, each place value unit must match. So my tens have to line up with my tens, my units have to line up with my units, and my tenths have to line up with my tenths. Each place value unit matches, and so I'm ready to add. I will need to regroup. 8 plus 3 is greater than 10. I will need to regroup, and so I am going to start here in the right. 8 plus 3 is 11. It's 110, 1 unit. Decimal point, loud and proud, happy to exist as a decimal point. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus nothing is 1. So I get a final answer of 17 and 1/10. 6 and 4/10 plus 7 and 8/10. So that would be 6 whole units. Decimal point, loud and proud, happy to exist as a decimal point. 4/10 plus 7 whole units. Decimal point, loud and proud, happy to exist as a decimal point. 8/10. 8 plus 4 is 12. It's 110. And I keep the 2. Decimal point, loud and proud, happy to exist as a decimal point. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And so I get a total of 14 and 2/10. You'll need to neatly and accurately copy over each number that is being added. Make sure that your place value units are lined up. If your decimal points are lined up, then your whole number is lined up properly. These you will add without place value charts. Without place value charts. So you cannot draw in the lines or anything like that. You just have to carefully add up each one and be neat. Let's do a couple together. Let's do these two. 8/10 plus 4 and 7/10 plus 9 and 4/10. 8/10 plus 7/10 is 15/10. 15/10 plus 4/10 is 19/10. 19/10, that's the same as 1 and 9/10. So I have my 9 decimal point, loud and proud, happy to exist as a decimal point. 1 and 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. There you are. Let's do one more example together. This is an example where you are adding thousandths to thousandths, hundredths to hundredths, tenths to tenths, and units to units. You may not draw in the lines. You may not draw in a grid to help you be neat. You just have to be neat. I can add my numbers in any order, and the sum will be the same. And so when I add, I'm going to look for sums that I recognize or will be simpler to do. And I happen to know that 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 7 is 17. One plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now to my tenths. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. I'll need to regroup. 1 and decimal point, loud and proud, happy to exist as a decimal point, 0. And now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6.